Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to enhance photo quality on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, I want you to do is to open settings. Scroll down until you see camera. Then just go ahead and click on that and choose formats. And here under formats, you want to make sure that you choose high efficiency. But you need to expect that when you choose high efficiency, it will take much more space on your device. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.